Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download Amazon Flex application on your device. Now, if you also want to download Amazon Flex on your device, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up internet browser on your device and there search for Amazon Flex app download. And now tap on Amazon Flex APK for Android download and there tap on free download button. Now again tap on free APK download button. Now once your app get downloaded, tap on open option. Now there in the pop-up box you have to tap on install button and then installation will be started. Now there, your app has been already downloaded and installed to your device. Now go back to the home screen and there you will find Amazon Flex on your device. Now that was the step-by-step process on how you can download Amazon Flex on your device. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now that's gonna be all for today and I will see you in my next video.